In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio, or a business site, adding a touch of animation can make your text more engaging and visually appealing. So, let's dive in and get creative with your website design. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to the Wix website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Wix homepage, navigate to your website. It should be listed under your projects, so click on it to open it in the editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the text that you want to animate. This could be a heading, a subheading, or any text element that you think could use a little bit of flair. Click on the text box and you'll notice a small animated icon appear on the toolbar above it. This is your go-to tool for adding some movement to your text. Click on this animated icon and a range of animation options will pop up. Here, you'll find several enticing categories like entrance animations, loop animations, and mouse effects. Each option provides a different kind of movement, offering a unique dynamic to your text. Take your time to preview these options and decide which one best suits the theme and feel of your website. Once you've chosen an animation that you like, it's time to get into the customization. Click on the Customize button and you'll open a panel with further options that allow you to tailor the animation to fit your specific needs. Here's where you can get creative. You'll find settings for the motion style, which defines how your text enters the page, the direction of the movement, the duration that determines how long the animation lasts, and delay in seconds, which sets when the animation should start after the page loads or when triggered by other means. Feel free to experiment with these settings. For instance, if you want a subtle entrance, you can opt for a slower movement with a slight delay. Or, if you want to grab the viewer's attention immediately, choose a quicker motion that kicks in as soon as the text appears. The great part about Wix is it allows you to see real-time previews of your changes, so you can tweak each setting to perfection until you're satisfied with the final look. And there you have it. Your custom text animation is all set and ready to impress visitors on your website. Remember, the goal is to enhance your content, not to overwhelm it, so keep your animations eye-catching yet tasteful. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!